Students, now we will begin with chapter number 3, How Many Squares, page number 34. This is the rectangle and in between we have certain dots. One dot is drawn for you. Measure the side of the red square on the dotted sheet. Draw here as many rectangles as possible using 12 such squares. You have to draw rectangle with the help of 12 such square. Also, you have to measure the length of this square. Now, if we measure it with the help of scale, this will be around 1 centimeter. And in square, all the sides will be equal, so all the sides will be of 1 centimeter. Now we will draw rectangle using 12 such square. So this is first, second square, third square, fourth square, fifth square, and this will be sixth square. Similarly, over here 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This will be one rectangle. Now another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is another rectangle. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And over here 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and this will be 12. 3 rectangles. Now over here another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Like this we have made 1, 2, 3 and 4 rectangles. Another rectangle is also possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we have made 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rectangles using 12 such squares. This is also an rectangle made of using 12 such square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Each rectangle is made out of 12 equal squares. So all have the same area, but the length of boundary will be different. Which of these rectangles have longest perimeter and which of this will have smallest perimeter? So in this chapter we will learn about perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle and with the help of formula. Now page number 35. Measure stems. See, again we have another rectangle and we have certain stems drawn on it, but measurement of each of this stem is unequal. So let us start. Look at this interesting stems. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stem A cover? We have to measure how many stems of size 1 centimeter does stem A cover. So there are two ways to calculate. First one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is one way and it is a bit lengthy. Another way is we will measure length and breadth. It means horizontally and vertically. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stems over here, 6 squares over here. So we will write 6 and 1, 2, 3, 3 squares over here. So 6 into 3, which will also give us 18. Next is stem B. In stem B we have 2 over here. So we will write 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over here. So 2 fours will be 8. This is 8. This will be the answer. which stem has the biggest area? Now it is visible from the picture itself that stem A has the biggest area. So answer will be stem A. You have to fill up in textbook. Also you have to write this in CW. How many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stem cover? Now how many squares does this stem cover? So we have already found out that this stem covers 18 squares. So we will write 18 square centimeter. Next is, how much is the area of the biggest stem? So answer will be 18. 18 will be the area. Whenever we are doing multiplication, answer will be in area, and whenever we are adding, answer will be in perimeter. Now next one, which two stems have the same area? For that we will measure. We have measurement of stem A and stem B. Now we will measure stem C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am writing over here measurement of all the stems. Stem A is equal to 18. Stem B is equal to 8. Stem C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Stem D is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Stem E is equal to 4. And stem F is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Stem F is equal to 12. Now you can see from this all that stem D and stem F have same measurement. So answer will be stem D and stem F. Next one, how much is the area of each of these stems? So we have found out that area of these stems are 12 centimeter square. So we will write 12. The area of next one, area of smallest stem is dash square centimeter. Over here you can see that 4 is smallest among all of this. So area of smallest stem will be 4 square centimeter. The difference between area of smallest and biggest stem is dash square centimeter. Biggest stem is A, which is of 18 square centimeter. So we will write 18. And smallest area of smallest stem is 4 square centimeter. So we will do subtraction. 18 minus 4, which will be 14 square centimeter. This will be the answer. Collect some old stems, place them on the square grid and find out their area and perimeter.